So here we have our the natural pads. So two of those, and 4 locking bars. What I'll do first is I'll put them on the side, and then with the locking bars, so that one goes at the top. This is where it clicks in just like that, and then this is my way of doing it. I don't know how other people do it, but this is my way of doing it. So just do the second one in there, and then the second type of locking bars, so they're going that way with the slope on the downwards. So this is when you put in place. I'll do the other side. So that goes the same again, and then that again goes like so. So the slope side goes like that. So this basically what it does is allows the water to run out instead of going into the hive. With the box pretty much made, so what I'll do next is I'll take those 2 side ones and just basically push them in them slots. Same on the other side. Now in theory, well, I don't actually know, but some people do use glue. Myself, I don't use any glue. So this is basically how it is. The super there. The next step is to nail them in place basically. So make sure they're all flush on the edges. So I'm using 2-inch nails to secure them two in place, and because it's a super, it's not big plank of wood, I'm just going to use only a couple of nails in each. So there. Turn it around. I'll actually on this side as well. I'll do the same side again and come back. So I've put nails in both sides there and there. The next step is to nail in the locking bar. So you've got 2 on each side. Now if you don't want them to split, what I recommend doing is using a drill and just basically start drilling the ends. This will stop splitting the wood. I'll do the same on the other side. And again, I'm going to use 2-inch nails and basically just nail the locking bar in place. Same on the other side. 4 more nails. Now these are the seconds, which might be they might have imperfection, but that doesn't matter to bees needed to me, to be fair. The bees are quite forgiving, so they will just use it as it is. Last thing what I do is basically lock the locking bars and the side in place. So what I'll do is I'll put 3 1.5-inch nails in each side from the inside, and that basically locks the side of the box with the locking bar in place. And do the same with the top side of the hive. same again in here. On that side, another spin like that. Last one. So this is a super already built. I don't use glue, like I've said, I don't really use glue. However, if there are any gaps or anything, the bees will use propolis to fill any gaps. Yeah, that's it. This is our super ready made. I'm going to show you how to do frames next.